These are two lawnmowers that I currently own, both Toro Personal Pace models, 20332, and almost new and identical condition. The one on the right here, this is a 2012 model, and the one on the left here is a 2014 model. The one on the right here I got earlier this year as a moving sale, in really nice condition. And the one on the left here, this actually was a customer return at our local Home Depot. I thought it was a really great year-end price, so I bought that. The only difference between these two that I can see is this gas cap is different on the 2014 model versus the 2012. Both of these are Toro Recycler 22-inch. Both have the guaranteed to start 7.25 gross torque 190cc Briggs and Stratton engines. Really nice lawnmowers. And they both have the personal pace. So propel, where you just push this down for how fast you want to go. They both have this blue lever here where you don't have to remove the grass catcher. This is in mulch mode. If you want a bag, you just flip that lever down. It's one nice feature about the Toro. I mulch anyway, but it's nice to just bag without removing, or mulch without removing this bag if you need to. They both have a wash port, which I don't really use and don't really like. I think they will cause the underneath of a lawnmower to rust over time. You just need to blow these out after each use with a electric blower or a gas blower. They both have the 22-inch Toro Recycler blade on it. It's almost like a gator blade. Real clean underneath this 2012 model. And they both have Ready Start, which is an auto choke. Stickers in a different place here for whatever reason. And very clean underneath this one as well. Not sure why they returned this. Wasn't anything wrong with it. I got all the manuals, the side chute with it. Let me show you a little bit more about these Toros, and then we'll give each one a start. This is the model and serial number of the 2012 model, model 20332. And this is the model and serial number of the 2014 model, model 20332. You can look at these serial numbers. The 31414 shows this is a 2014. Very clean back here. And this is not the blade control model as I've shown in the two that I own that are model 20333. And that blue knob would be there if it was a blade control. One thing I look at when I buy these Toro Personal Pace models is to see if that Personal Pace cable's ever been adjusted where it started slipping. You can actually loosen this nut and push this cable down if it's got any wear. And this is, of course, in really good condition here, as well as the 2012. Neither one of these have been adjusted. Still in the center. And all these wheels have a separate height adjustment on these Toro Personal Pace, this particular model. It's not a separate lever like the Husqvarna HU775 model that I have. And here's another difference that I had found on the 2014 model. This doesn't have the exhaust cover to redirect the exhaust out the front So 2014 versus on the 2012, it's got this little cover on there that pushes the exhaust out the front. So let's give each one a start here. We'll start with this 2014 model. And it's ready start auto choke. Should be able to just pull the rope. I have to tie the handle back on this, walk away from it. See how easy the 2014 model will start. Here we go. Here we go. Lawnmower. Let's start the 2014 model. And here's our 2014 model. Let's see how easy this will be to start today. And we have to tie the handle back on this one as well to walk away from it. Here we go. There we go. That one started well too. These 7.25 sound a little bit deeper than the 7.0. Really a new condition lawnmower right there. Two great lawnmowers. I really like the Toro Recycler with the Personal Pace.